everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the stunning new 2026 version of the Corvette Stingray C8 from Chevrolet, exploring what makes this mid-engine American sports car such an exciting package. Let's get started. Asterisk: from the very first glance, the 2026 Corvette Stingray grabs attention with its aggressive proportions and sculpted aerodynamic details. The design evolves the C8 generation's mid-engine layout, featuring a low, sharply raked nose, wide haunches, and a distinctive rear that hints at performance in every line. Inside the cabin, you'll find significant updates for 2026, including a larger digital instrument cluster, a redesigned infotainment screen, and an added 6.6-inch configurable display positioned to the left of the steering wheel, giving the driver more accessible controls and customization. Asterisk: under the hood, the 2026 Stingray uses a 6.2-liter naturally aspirated V8 engine paired with an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission and rear-wheel drive. It produces around 490 to 495 horsepower and 465 to 470 pounds-ft of torque, enabling a 0 to 60 miles per hour sprint in the 2.8 to 3.0 second range, when equipped with the optional Z51 performance package. The powertrain is a result of careful engineering to deliver both high-performance thrills and daily usability. Asterisk: inside, you'll notice the cockpit is driver-focused with premium materials and technology upgrades. The center stack has been cleaned up, the drive mode selector switched to a toggle style, and extra attention given to ergonomics and visual impact. For 2026, new color options for both interior and exterior expand the personalization possibilities. On the performance side, the chassis benefits from the mid-engine layout, which results in excellent weight distribution, sharp turn-in, and a driving experience that blends precision with excitement. The optional Z51 package gives upgraded brakes, suspension tuning, and wider tires tailored for track use. Asterisk: what it all adds up to is a superb blend of everyday usability and supercar-style performance. The 2026 Corvette Stingray hits a sweet spot, where you can drive it on public roads or push it on a circuit and it holds its own. Compared with many European rivals, the value proposition is especially strong. Keep in mind that with any car of this caliber, running costs, tire wear, insurance, and maintenance will be higher than average, so those are factors to consider. Asterisk: as we wrap up today's look at the 2026 Corvette Stingray, I'll say that the evolution of the C8 generation shows how much commitment there remains to performance, design, and driver engagement at Chevrolet. If you're looking for a sports car that delivers real muscle, modern tech, and everyday practicality, this one stands out. Asterisk: thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video and want more in-depth car breakdowns. I'll see you in the next one.